In this problem, we will be working on the physiology of breathing by comparing and contrasting positive and negative pressure filling. Okay, positive pressure filling. For example, filling a balloon. Filling a balloon is an example of positive pressure filling. So for you to fill the balloon, you need to use energy to force air in. So you're taking air from an area of low pressure outside the balloon and forcing it into an area of high pressure inside the balloon. That's positive pressure filling. Frogs can take air into their lungs